Hi everyone, it's Sally here, aka Craftin' Gal Sal, and I got my first package from Beebeecrafts today, and I'm going to give you a link to their website in the description. But they reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in receiving free product in exchange for doing videos about their product. So what I've agreed to is I would do one unboxing video for each package that I receive. So I have one unboxing video, which is what I'm doing right now. And then with the products that are inside this shipment, I'll be doing 2 more videos, and those will be demonstrating the products and how I would use them in my paper crafting. So that's what I've agreed to, and you are seeing the unboxing, even though it didn't come in a box, the unboxing video for this very first shipment. They allowed me to choose the products that I wanted, and then they shipped it to me, provided the shipping and everything. So I have to say that I already opened it up not knowing exactly what this was, because I'm also expecting something else to be shipped. This company is from China, and so it took a while between the time I placed my order and the time they shipped it. I'm not sure exactly how long it was, but I can let you know that in the description as well. So anyway, here is my package, and I did notice I was able to just open it up easily, just like that. So that's how easy it was to open it. And it's in this nice plastic bubble wrap bag. All right. So let's see what I ordered. And just take everything out. All right. And as you can see, everything is in its own little package within the main big package. And this is probably a packing slip. Let me see. Okay, so it tells me what I've ordered here and how much of everything there is. So let's go ahead and open it up. Looks like I have 4 items, and that's how many they've shipped. Okay, so let's just start with this. This is the first one, and I liked this particular set. And let's open it up and see what it has in it. So you can order this set. It comes all together, and you receive these 2 stamping blocks, clear acrylic stamping blocks. So I really liked that about this particular pack that I ordered. And let's see, I'm going to grab some scissors just to make my life easier here. All right, let's take that out. So that's very nice, just like you would expect. And I don't see any difference in these blocks than any other blocks that I already have. So those are nice. Great big one and the small one. And I don't have either size of these already, so that's going to be great for my stash and what I have. Okay, let's see. This is really cute. It's looks kind of vintage. It's got the cameo lady. Let's celebrate you. Home sweet home. Some butterflies. Where there is love, there is life. A key. Pretty bird. So that's pretty. I'm excited to see how those stamp. You know, I can go ahead and just peel one off and see how well it sticks. So let's do that while I'm thinking of it. So it peels off very easily. And let's see how it sticks to the stamp block. Okay, it's stuck on there nicely. All right, so I'll be interested to see how that stamps. And like I said, that'll be in product demonstration video. So all right. Put that back on there. All right, now what do I have here? Cute. Let's see. So these are individually wrapped. But like I said, it was a set. All of these clear stamps and the stamp blocks was a set. Okay, so this one's got the two sides, the acetate on both sides. And what do we have? Believe in your dreams, a cute bicycle with some hearts. That's adorable. Yay. Like a rainy cloud. Dream big. A pinwheel and a dream catcher. That's beautiful. I can see how, in my mind, I can see how pretty those will be when they're colored in. This one just opened nicely like that. Okay, cute, a happy, be happy face. Cute stuff, that's a little mushroom. Super bubbly, lucky, hip chick, love and peace, tree hugger. All right, this is the hippie. That's the hippie set right there. Let's see, this one also has a peel and stick. Okay, again, acetate on both sides of these. Just some beautiful butterflies, a little sprig with some leaves and a little flower. And I guess that's a flower of some kind. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to stamp that one out to see what it is, but oh, isn't that beautiful? Love that. So, really excited about these. Wow, this is a lot of stamps. This would be an excellent set to buy if you're just starting out with stamping. My goodness, look at all the stamps you get in this set. That's crazy, crazy amount of stamps. Oh my gosh, I love this one. Look at this one. Wow, so pretty. I love all these little sprigs and berries and, oh, what is that? Queen Anne's lace maybe? I'm not sure. Love it. I love all of those. That's going to make a gorgeous bunch of cards. And here's the last one. This one would be good with if any of you guys do the planners, the little calendar planner things, because these are teeny tiny. So it's got coffee break, on this day, play date, me time, vacay, yum, party, my fave, first day of school, girls' night, here's a concert, take a break, what's this one, nom nom nom, eat out, date night, time for a break, happy hour, woohoo, admit one, that's a cute little ticket, and dinner, teeny weeny dinner, and that's so cute. Look at that cute little bicycle. Love it. Look at that cute little sun. Love the heart. Cute stuff. I love that. Okay. So this, again, is one set. You get all of this. I'm going to stick that back on there. You get all of this in this one set. So, okay, I'm going to count it. You get 2 acrylic stamp blocks, a large and a small. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sheets of clear stamps with this one set. So I will give you a link directly to that set in the description, but I'm going to put it right back inside this little bag, and we're going to move on to the next thing I chose. All right, put that up there. Now let's see. Oh yeah, exciting, exciting. What did I get here? This is something new to me, so I'm excited to get started with this. And I'm gonna go, because I I already know that I got this as well. Okay, so what this is melting wax. These little beads, all these little individual, and I think there are 200 of them. I better check that. Maybe 127, I'm not sure. Anyway, I'll let you know. These little beads are melting wax, like sealing wax, okay? And there's some different colors in there. And they have, you know, different sets. You can choose different colors. Here's a couple little tea light candles. This is the spoon that you would hold over the tea light and melt your wax. And this came as a set, okay? So you can purchase this set. Then, in addition, I chose this so that I could make some little stamps, little sealing wax stamps. So here's the pattern that I chose. I hope that you can see this well. I loved the little flower bouquet, and I just thought that would be so pretty. And I can't wait to try this on the back of some of my envelopes, but I'm also looking forward to just doing some of this stamping on my cards, on the faces of my cards themselves. So I'm going to do that. But I unscrewed it to show you that you can buy other patterns of these from the company, Beebeecraft. They have all kinds of different patterns that you can buy, and then you can just switch them out. That just screws right on top of this nice little wooden handle, and I like the way that handle feels. This is nice, has a nice weight to it, so I'm excited to give this a try. So you know, you would just choose your colors that you want and put them in. I suppose you would maybe experiment a little bit with mixing colors, heat it up over your candle and pour it right where you want it to be on your paper, and then just stamp it. So I'm excited to do this. I've never done this before. This will be a new craft for me. Okay, so there's that. Again, this was a separate purchase, the stamp itself. Okay, they have all kinds of things to choose from too as far as the handles. But so I like that. That was a nice purchase. And then this was a cute little set that I got. And they have different types of spoons. This is just, I think, your basic spoon that you can use, but they have different ones that you can choose. But this came with the set, and that's all I needed, you know, for a beginner and to give it a try. And then the last thing that I got were these beautiful clay beads. This is the one that has 200 in the set. Let me get something to... Here we go. Oh, they're so beautiful. And they have a hole on either side. So look at all these beautifully decorated clay beads. So I got these. I like to make jewelry. Specifically, I like to make earrings. So I thought these would be so pretty to make as just a simple ball earring. And so I'm excited about that. So I'm gonna love putting some of that together with in some earrings. So all right, well, that is my unboxing of my product. I will give you more information in the description below the video so that you can know exactly which ones I ordered, and you can follow the link right to Beebeecraft and make your purchase if you're interested, and look around on there and buy some other things for yourself. But I'm excited. So far, the quality of all of these items seems to be very good. Just at, you know, first glance, and the way everything feels. So I'm excited to get started crafting with my new products. So Again, this is from Beebeecraft, beebeecraft.com, and I'm looking forward to doing a couple demonstration videos on how I'm going to use these things with my paper crafting or jewelry making. So until the next time, happy crafting. Bye.